guys, welcome back to my channel, Foreverfiierce if you're new. Hey girl, and today I'll be giving you guys an install and initial review on the hair that I have installed right now. If you want to get all the info, make sure you stay tuned. Today I have installed the Goddess Box Braids by the brand Niseyo. It is an Amazon-based brand, and this hair is 12 inches. It came in 8 packs, and it's in the color 1B. So I gave you guys in the other clips the 360 of the hair, and I used all 8 packs. It was fairly easy to install. It was easy to install. It's really all about your technique and your braid pattern. I showed you guys my braid pattern earlier. And for me, when it comes to doing box braids, or like faux locks, the braid pattern when you do the plaits and connect them together is a lot easier than just doing straight backs. For me, it's easier to put the hair through, and it also gives it more of a natural box braid look. And to cover my rubber bands, because I did use rubber bands, I can't braid. I did twist my hair in between. I feel like that's better. It's more flexible, if that makes sense. And I have a lot of hair, so when I braid my hair, it tends to get really thick, even in the front. So twisting it was a little easier. That's Milo. Milo. No. Please be quiet. Yeah, so this is what the hair looks like after it's done. I did use some mousse. I actually love this hairstyle. Kind of upset that I waited so long to install it, but it's at a good time. I needed something new with my hair. It didn't take me long to install. I think if I did it myself, it still would have took me about the same amount of time to install the hair. I just wanted to make sure that the back was full and covered because I do have a lot of braids. I do have a big head. I have a lot of hair. So overall, as an initial review, I love this hair. Out of, you know, a 10, I'll probably give it I would give it like an 8. It ranks high with me. Now the maintenance on it, as far as how long it'll last and get as far as tangly, I'm not sure. It came to, I would take a look at each individual pack, because some, like 1 or 2 packs were a little bit braided looser and bigger. I put those in the back. So I would say open up all your packs of hair, look at the loops. Smaller loops, of course, put them in the front. Bigger loops, put them in the back. It's just a lot easier, just in case they do, because they're not like super tight. So if they're bigger or looser, you probably want those in the back so that they don't come loose. And yeah. So, and with this, you can definitely do like a half up, half down situation. It'd be really cute. So yeah, it's very versatile, which I like. Oops, my rings are catching. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.